Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Barb and you're at Barb Beauty, and today's kind of been a weird day. The camera setting that I usually have my camera on just wasn't working. My face was completely white. My ring light was kind of taken over. I don't know if I accidentally changed the setting or something, but it's on a different setting. It might look better, it might look different. Can't really tell in the viewfinder, but that happened, so I'm kind of adjusting to that. I don't want to make this video super long or this intro super long, so basically, as you can tell from the title, I am doing a quick 4th of July glam, and I'm really excited for it because it's going to be a two-toned eyeshadow. And yeah, let's just hop right in. All my social media and stuff will be down below. I hope you enjoy, like, subscribe, comment, and all of that good stuff, and let's get on with this video. So like I said, it is going to be a two-toned eyeshadow. I kind of want to do a red, white, and then a blue, kind of like, you know, the flag and all that. But so I thought I would do the red here going into blue, and I don't have a true red eyeshadow, so I'm just kind of gonna work with what I got. On a Morphe Y16 brush, I am picking up Hunty from the Manny MUA Life's a Drag palette, and I am just gonna dust this through the transition. No, I am gonna dust this through the crease of my eye to make a transition color, because I'm kind of really only gonna use 3 colors: the red, the white, and the blue. So I kind of want to just have a little something to have that like barrier. Now I'm taking a Morphe Y18 and picking up that red snatched color and just start packing that on the outer half of my lid. This is so pretty. Isn't that gorgeous? Okay, so that is the red side of the eye, and now I'm going to take the white called Cake Face and pack that on in the center, the inner corner, the inner portion. Get kind of on the lid, but I don't want it to get too much on the lid because I really don't want that red to turn pink. And this Life's a Drag palette, the colors blend really good, but for this look, it's kind of a downfall. I really don't want to stress this eyeshadow look, so I think I'm just going to keep it there. Maybe go out my finger once to see if that helps pack it on. But that's all I kind of want to do. I don't want to overstress it. That's pretty much what I wanted, and it was super easy. And pick up Fishy from the Life's a Drag palette. How pretty. Got some kickback right away. I didn't think I'd be making my very next video using the Life's a Drag palette right after I just did my review. It was totally unplanned, but just the way the shadows and the colors worked out. I am going to clean it up with concealer when I get to that step, but I think I am satisfied with the shape. So I'm going to go back in with that brush by Urban Decay and pick up Cake Face and just start. So this is what the eyeshadow is looking like. I am pretty satisfied with it. I'm going to clean up my face, do liner and lashes, and all that off of camera, and I will be right back to get started on the face. Hello, I'm back and I'm currently baking. I did my liner, mascara, my lashes, my foundation, my concealer, and currently baking right now. I used the NYX vinyl eyeliner for my liquid liner, and I also added a glitter liner above, like the black liner. I will zoom in and show you. Yes, you can see it. It's the Urban Decay Pyro liquid glitter thing, and then I used my Estee Lauder I used my Estee Lauder primer. It's called like the Illuminating Perfecting Primer, and I hadn't used it in a while, and I forgot how much I loved it. I love that primer. It's just super nice and it makes your skin super tacky. And then I used some Shape Tape for concealer and LA Pro foundation, and I used my Maybelline Fit Me for my powder for my bake, and now I'm going in with my Sephora Micro Smooth powder to set the rest of my face. I'm just gonna go in with some primer water from Smashbox. This is a fresh one. It's not even... I do that every time I set my face. Like after I set it, I have to, just because I have such dry skin, and that's why I usually don't like to bake, but here we are. So at this stage I skip my face stuff and I go back to finishing my eyes. I don't know why, that's just the method that I like to do. So I think I'm just going to take this pencil little baby brush and just take the colors, the blue and the red, and just ever so slightly run it along my lash line. Just because the top is so heavy, I don't want all that color transferring to the bottom. Now I'm going to apply some bottom mascara. Okay, the eyes are finally done. I do highlight my inner corner and my eyebrow, but for whatever reason I just have to use the highlight I used on my face. No matter what colors I use on my eyes, I just like using the same highlight that I use on my face for my eye highlights. I don't know. Moving on to bronzer, I'm taking the world's greatest bronzer ever, Marc Jacobs Tantastic. Such an amazing bronzer, so worth the price. You get so much. It smells so good, and the color and the way it blends, and just this is just such a good bronzer. I just am really into it, and I just really trust it because one day, this is also a Y3 brush. Like 2 months ago, I was starting to tan in tanning beds to just get some glow on, you know, and it was working, and I was really tan, and I had not bought darker tanner makeup yet, and I was like getting really tan. And the one day I applied my makeup and I was like Casper the Friendly Ghost with my tan luscious body. I was like, oh my gosh, and like I didn't want to take it all off and like restart, so I packed so much of this onto my face, and it looked so good, and it made me so tan and like balanced out my skin, and I was just like, okay, you are now the love of my life. So I'm taking my Morphe Y9 brush, and this is one of my favorite contour brushes, and I use the same bronzer just on a different brush. It just goes darker, so that's why I love it too, because it's a 2-in-1 product. You can use it for bronzing and contouring, and like, do you see that? Moving to highlight, I'm using this sleek highlighting palette. I like lost my train of thought, and I am focusing on the bottom 2 colors. These highlighters are no joke. Now I'm taking the wonderful ColourPop Flexitarian Super Shock Cheek Highlighter and applying that with my finger. I never really liked these highlighters until I started using them correctly with my finger, and it was insane. These don't have to be applied with your finger, but that's just what made it work for me, because they were not looking on me. They weren't looking right on me the way everyone was hyping them up. And I was like, what am I doing? And then I used it with my finger. It was a total game changer. Moving on to lips, I kind of had this idea to do one of those like Japanese inspired, I guess, like the popsicle look where you just put it in the center and kind of diffuse it out. And then I was going to put a bunch of gloss on top. So I think that's what I'm going to do. So I'm taking the Morphe Nikita Dragon lipstick and Dominate and just applying that to the center of my lips. I almost said lids. This is like the cutest face ever. Like I didn't want like a heavy full lip like this, but now I'm taking this Maybelline Shine Shot gloss. This is just the clear one. It's not my favorite lip gloss. It's kind of really sticky and like thick, but it's gonna do exactly what I want it to. Moving on to the most exciting part, I'm taking this Milk Makeup Tattoo Stamp, and it is the wrong side, the star one. It's literally just a eyeliner stamp, and it is a star. It's not gonna focus, but I'm just gonna throw them under my eyes, kind of in a random yet not random way. But I'm so excited. I'm just locking it all in with my Smashbox Primer Water. So there you guys have it. This is my final 4th of July makeup look that I created. I hope you enjoyed watching. I hope you enjoyed this makeup look because I love it. I think it's so fun and so cool. And I hope you guys do something like this and it inspires you to step outside your comfort zone for 4th of July, because why not? I will be at the beach, so I can't do this on 4th of July, but I'm doing it now. That is the end of this video. I hope you guys liked it. All my social and stuff will be in the down bar, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye, guys.